Hello everybody, this is itisuni.com, tutorials about robotics. Today I'm going to show you how to create a simple program using Python language. I will explain what is a variable, a print command, and how to input information to a program from your keyboard. First of all, I would like to create a very simple program. Print, round brackets, and inside round brackets you need to have quotes, and inside these quotes you can type any sentence you need. We will type "Hello, I'm a robot." And that is our simplest program. I only need to start it by pressing on this button. And you see now our program. It says "Hello, I'm a robot." This line, this print, lets the computer understand that it needs to print on the screen this sentence. And that is all. Now you know what the print command does. Then I would like to add a question. What is your name? And after that I need to create a variable name which is equal input and empty round brackets. Then I would like to print "Nice to meet you" plus name. So this is a variable name. You can call it as you wish. For example, these letters. That's okay, because it's a variable and you can call it as you want. But of course, in this case we need to put these letters to this place, because it's supposed to be the same variable. But let's keep the original name of this variable, or we can call it my name if it makes more sense. That's okay too. So this variable is a place where information can be saved, where a computer stores information. And input means that on this line computer will ask us to input something from your keyboard. Literally, it will wait until we input something and press enter. First of all, it will execute this line. It will print "Hello, I'm a robot, what is your name?" Then it will go to the second line and will wait until we input something, an answer to this question. What is your name? And as you understand now, it needs to get an answer here. And then it will print "Nice to meet you", and it will put that name which you inputted from your keyboard. It saved it to my name variable, and then it will put this name right to this place. And it will say "Nice to meet you" plus the name which you entered, and also I would like to add here plus dot. Please notice, when you print something you can use either these double quotes or these single quotes. So let's see how it works. "Hello, I'm a robot. What is your name?" "Alex." "Nice to meet you, Alex." As you can see, it printed our name. And the gist of this program that it is not static, it's dynamic. For example, you can type here Angelina, and it will say "Nice to meet you, Angelina." Now it's adaptable to any name you would like to enter. That was the first part of this tutorial. In the next video I will show you how to make an if-else statement and what is an integer and a string and how to convert them. Please support us by pressing like or subscribing. We appreciate it very much. See you in the next tutorial. Bye!